So dear student, today we'll be doing the Lagrange's multiplier. Okay. So pretty much comfortable topic. I'm just going to share screen. Yeah. So you can see the first question. So in every question you write in this form only. PP plus QQ is equal to R. Correct? And here they're given us what? Solve x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y is equal to z. Correct? And for every question again, the auxiliary equation is dx by x is equal to dy by y is equal to dz by z. Okay, it is all the form what PP plus QQ is equal to R. So then I'll just take the first two equations, and if I integrate the things, what is integral of dx by x? Log x. Integral dy by y? Log y. So taking the first two equations. Then if I take the second and third equation, dy by y is equal to dz by z. Correct? Yes. So now if I take the first one, dx by x is what? Integration of this. I'll just do the integration part here. To remove differentiation, I need what? Integration. Integral of dx by x. You can zoom in, then only you'll be able to get it. I'll zoom it here for you guys. Yeah. Integral dx by x is log x. Integral dy by y is log y plus log c1. Log a minus log b. So log x minus log y. Log a by b. Log x by y is equal to log c1. Cancel log and log. I'll cancel it for you. I got x by y is equal to c1. Similarly, I'll get what? Y by z is equal to c2. Y by z is equal to what? c2. You can see it here. Yes, same thing. So the general auxiliary equation of the PDE is phi of x by y and y by z. That's all. So once we do the 2 through 3 questions, you'll get a fair idea. Okay. Next one. P cot x, Q cot y, cot z. So this is all the form what? PP plus Q is equal to R. So again, those who don't know what is P and Q, P stands for dou z by dou x and Q stands for dou z by dou y. I'm talking about small p and what? Not small p and small q. P and capital P, this P and Q. What is the meaning of that? Okay. Yeah. So P, Q, and R. See, as you can see here in the above question here also, x dou z by dou x. So PP plus QQ is equal to R. That format. So I'll be getting what? dx by cot x. Okay. And dy by cot y, dz by cot z. Integrate. Taking two equations on one side. I'll just take this first, these two things. Yes. Then integrate. Take first these two, then next these two. Integral of cot x is log sec x. Integral of cot x is equal to log sec x. That's a formula. Okay, integral of cot x is log sec x. So log sec x minus log sec y, log of sec x by sec y. Clear? So this is one term. So you will put what? Phi of sec x by sec y and sec y by sec z. That's all. Okay, I'll just come back to the other questions, but before that, I'll take a very important question which might come for your exam. So that I'll do it first, so it'll be easy for you. Yeah. Yeah, this one. This again of the form what? PP plus QQ is equal to R. Then similarly to put what? Dx by x square minus yz. This thing you put it down. And y square minus zx you put down for this. and dz by whatever is z value, put it down here. Then subtract both the things here. See, end of the day, I have to find the auxiliary equation phi. So dx is there and dy. So subtract these two equations, dx minus dy. So x square minus yz, correct? Minus y square minus plus zx. Then you'll get this term, x square minus y square. They just regrouped everything. Okay, so once you regroup everything, then what do you take? X square minus y square is what? X plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y. Okay, plus z into x minus y. So from that, I can take x minus y outside. From these two things, x minus y, I can take it outside. This is not there in the book, I wrote it. So it will be easy for you to understand. X minus y, I can take it outside. Then I'll get x plus y plus z. Similarly, from this, I can take what outside? Y minus z outside. Again, x plus y plus z. Here also. And in the third one, z minus x. So cancel all the common terms. X plus y plus z and x plus y plus z and everything cancel out. Correct? Then I'll get dx minus dy by x minus y. Then again, how to integrate this thing? See, for this, we all know what is integral of 1 by x dot dx. Log x. Correct? So then just replace this x with x minus y term. Just replace what? X with x minus y term. So integral of d of x minus y by x minus y. Log of x minus y. Okay, log of x minus y, I'll be getting. Integral of d of the same as, just instead of x, I'm putting x minus y. D of x minus y, that's it. Instead of x, I'm putting x minus y, so I'll be getting log of x minus y. So that same method only I am using here. Log of x minus y, and here log of y minus. So log a minus log b, log a by b. So I'm getting what? Log x. Log and log will get cancelled. Again, you have to do all of these things. Okay, then only it will strike in your mind. Then x minus y by y minus z is equal to c. Okay, similarly, replace what? X with what? Y and y with z. Then you'll get the required general equation. That's all. So you can pause it and you can do it. 1 second. Okay, so that is the call actually. Yeah. There is an important question, so which I just wanted to teach you. Let me see any other important things. Yeah, one more important thing. Let me check whether it is. Yes, this 39th question. Again, very, very important thing is whatever question you are getting, okay, in Lagrange multiplier, and suppose due to the panic, if you're forgetting everything, also suppose a new question comes, do write down this thing, PP plus QQ is equal to R. Very, very important. And then the auxiliary equation. Dx by y minus z is equal to dy by z minus x and dz by x minus y. Correct? Then what we do here is we add everything. Okay, why we add? Then the multiplier is 1. So sometimes multiplier can be x, sometimes it can be 1, sometimes it can be 2, sometimes it can be 1 by x. So like that. And this multiplier, how to take? Once you do a few questions, that time only in your mind it will come. How we are gonna take the thing. So add everything. So dx plus dy plus dz and y minus z plus z minus x and x minus y. Cancel out everything. Okay, once you cancel out everything, dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0. This is all the things. This is 0 if you cancel out. Okay, then if I integrate this, I'll just zoom in for you. Then if I integrate integral of dxx, integral dy y, integral dz z, I'll get x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Okay, now this is if the multiplier is 1. Then I told you if the multiplier is x, second time if I take multiplier x, then I'll get what? X dot d multiplier x, meaning with this equation, with the first one I'll multiply and divide by x. Multiply and divide by x. Second one I'll multiply and divide by y. Is there any change? No. Third one I'll multiply and divide by z. That is meaning by the Lagrange multiplier. Either I'll multiply and divide by x. It's not going to make any difference. Then I'll add everything. Then I'll add everything. Then also if I'm putting, then also I'm getting 0. X dy plus y dy plus z dz by here xy minus xz. This one I'm talking xy minus xz, 0 only. Okay, if I add everything, that time also it's coming 0. Let it go. Yeah. Then, since we don't like d in our final answer, we integrate it. Integral of x dot dx, integrating everything, okay? Not only this, integrating everything. Integral 0, 0, it's okay. So we'll put a constant c2. And then we get x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2c2. Then the first two equations. One is x plus y plus z and another is x square plus y square plus z square. That is the required PDE. Okay. Solve y square plus z square into p is equal plus x into y cube minus z is equal to 0. Okay. Plus xy is equal to xz. Is of the form. Same thing. Whatever is there, no other thing. Same thing you have to write. It is of the form pp plus qq is equal to r. Then auxiliary equation. Dx by the first term. Dy by the second term. Correct? This one I'm talking about. Multiply this inside the bracket. And this goes inside the bracket. Then I'll get this. Then dz by third term. Then here I'll take the second and third equation. Then only I can cancel this x and x. Then integrate log y and log z. Correct? I got the first part. Now the important thing is I have to take what? The multiplier. Correct? So first one always will take x. First one it always take what? X. So x dot dx. But if you can see here y square is there, here y is there. Second and third one, y and z, minus y and minus z. Then only you'll be able to cancel it out. Minus y and minus z. Then I can cancel everything. Then if I add everything, I can cancel denominator part. And then if I integrate, I'll get what? X square minus y square minus z square. That's all. Simple only. Okay, so I hope you understood all of these things. So I want to try it and let me know any doubt is there. Thank you.